Please see the links in description below.
The best outdoor solar lights. If you're looking for the best outdoor solar lights, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Tomcare Solar Lights Upgraded. Gorgeous dancing flames design. A safe alternative to the real flames, LEDs in the light cast a safe, soft, mood-enhancing glow. Please note the actual height of the item is 43 inches. Never needs batteries, completely runs on solar panel. It collects solar energy all day, then turns on automatically at dusk. The light runs on solar power so you can place it anywhere. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 2200 mAh, light up 12 hours after fully charged. Charging time 8 hours. Waterproof and durable, withstands all kinds of weather all round the year. No wiring required. Simply install it anywhere you like and enjoy the warm charge light. Number 2. Garden Bliss Best Solar Lights for Outdoor Pathway. Most solar path lights are either very functional or very stylish. It's only in rare cases you'll find one that perfectly combines both functionality and stylishness, such as the Garden Bliss Garden Path Lights. The 10 lamps that come with this product are incredibly efficient due to the industrial design that they have to them. These lamps, featuring 4 lumens each, are quite dim, and the smoky plastic lens generates more of the surrounding light than anything. In general, these path lights are best used as markers instead of lighting up a patio area or pathway. The product has an excellent height adjustment setting that allows you to choose between a shorter or taller height to match with your outdoor turf, or you can utilize a mix. Number 3. Moonrays 92276 Solar-Powered Hanging Floral Stained Glass LED Lantern. Give your backyard an artistic bump with these decorative solar lamps. They're made from metal, glass, and plastic and provide 360 degrees of illumination. Each side features a hand-painted garden design on stained glass. Moonrays 92276 Solar-Powered Hanging Floral Stained Glass Light. This beautiful UL feature adds interest to your flower garden from every angle. Each side features a different garden design, giving your garden a new view everywhere you are. White LED lights make this stained glass accessory bright at night. Each pack comes with 1x 400 mAh AA and NiCad rechargeable batteries and can run 6 to 8 hours fully charged. Packed in a color box, this is a perfect idea for gift giving. Number 4. Baxia Technology PX SL101 Solar Lights. Designed with no dim mode to increase product lifespan, when motion is detected within 3 to 5 meters, the motion sensor lights will turn on automatically in darkness or at night, which provides you illumination for security and safety protection. There are 28 powerful LEDs and the motion angle is 120 degrees, which can provide excellent illumination and turn the dark space into a brightly lighted space. With a lampshade covering the LED, well designed to longer its performance life. The solar outdoor lights is water resistant and heat resistant. A great solar security light for outdoor patio, garden, deck, yard, drive, outside wall fence, etc. Number 5. Moonrays 91381 Peyton Solar LED Plastic Path Light. These path lights are made from sturdy plastic with a hammered lens that gives style and shape to the light. At nearly 16 inches in height, the light won't be obstructed by grass or shrub. The device is also waterproof. Installation is simple. Just push the stake into the ground and the light automatically turns on at dusk. It should last 8 hours on a full charge. The solar panel is on top of the lamp, so it needs to be in direct sunlight during the day. They come in a pack of 8, making them good value for money.
Please see the links in description below.